Today we are going to convert this into this. This is a very quick tutorial on how to type Arabic letters in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see here, I'm using Adobe Illustrator 2014. In my artboard here, there is an Arabic sentence. This Bismillah is not in the correct direction, so that we cannot read it very easily. Now we are going to fix this and make it correct. Go to Edit and then Preferences and then choose Type. From there you choose the lower options and just OK. Then you go to paragraph settings. From the paragraph settings, then make sure you choose Middle Eastern and South Asian every line composer. So automatically it will correct the sentence.